Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun video. I just wanted to do a color comparison of some of these lovely Michael Kors bags in my handbag collection. So if you like handbag videos, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, as well as check out some of my playlists on all types of handbags. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. I'm excited about this video. This is not my complete Michael Kors collection. We'll be back at a later date to talk about and take a look at all my Michael Kors bags. However, today I just wanted to look at a few of them for the color, and you guys requested this, so I wanted to go ahead and talk about a few of them for the color. We'll be back later and discuss more of these beauties. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the vanilla bags. Let's go ahead and start with the white bags. So this is the Jessie. This is the Michael Kors Jessie in pale pink, and she is so beautiful. She's in vanilla and pale pink. So this is what she looks like. The bottom of the bag is entire pale pink. All the trim of the bag is in pale pink. I'll go through a few of some of the little extras of the bag, but I don't want to go over everything because then we'll be here all day. So this bag does have a rear back pocket that's very accessible for keys and cell phone. She has a magnetic closure. She has a lovely strap. So I just have her stored with her strap inside, and she has the beautiful pale pink leather under the bag. So beautiful, and there is her strap. She can be worn crossbody or as a shoulder bag, and you can hear the magnetic closure. So this is the beautiful Jessie in pale pink. Next, I have this little wristlet. So this little pink is in vanilla and limeade. So that green color is olive, and the middle strip, because it's a center strip wristlet, is in limeade. This wristlet was purchased to go with my Blaire Satchel right here, my lovely Blaire. And my Blaire Satchel is in olive and sage green. So she is in the darker color is olive, and the lighter color of this satchel is sage green. And the wristlet is in the beautiful color olive and limeade. So, I mean, I figured they matched up enough, close enough, a pretty good match together. Not, you know, not perfectly, but good enough to go together. So they're in vanilla. And this one, the Blaire, is nice. I like the Blaire as opposed to the Bedford Satchel. I like the Bedford Satchel as well, but the Blaire has the lovely, beautiful, polished gold chain strap with the with the leather strap. So it's very nice. The bottom of it is in the beautiful olive as well, and it does have feet. So the Blaire is a little smaller than the Bedford Satchel. But this is such a cute bag. You know, it's really cute, and it won't overburden you. It's not as big as the Bedford Satchel. So that's these two together. Next, I wanted to talk about these two lovely beauties. So I have the Cindy Large Dome Satchel by Michael Kors in the signature canvas and the cyan. So this beautiful color, I thought it was like a green when I initially purchased this bag, and I learned that its official color and name is called cyan, which is like a blue and a green. Has hints of blue and green together in it. I love the Cindy Large Dome Satchel. This is a silhouette that I love in handbags. It's very much like the Alma for Louis Vuitton, or like the Dooney and Burke Zip Satchel. And I really like the Large Dome Cindy Satchel from Michael Kors because the zipper tape is in the beautiful color of the leather trim. So it's so beautiful. And it has a magnetic side pocket, which the Louis Vuitton Alma and the Zip Satchel does not have. So this is the lovely cyan, and then this is it in fuchsia. So this is it in the fuchsia color, the pink fuchsia, which I'll be back on camera to discuss some more fuchsia colored bags in my collection, because all of the companies because all of the companies, when they make fuchsia bags, they make different hints and different shades of fuchsia. So we'll be back to discuss more fuchsia bags out of my handbag collection, but this is the Cindy Dome Satchel. This one isn't completely stuffed. I need to go ahead and stuff her some more because I still have some items in her from when I used her to go to work, but this one is completely stuffed, so that's why she looks a little bit more full than the other bag. This is what they look like at the bottom. These bags are exactly the same. The only thing that I noticed that was different about them that I didn't know when I purchased them was that the cyan one is in silver hardware and the fuchsia one is in gold hardware. So you can see the difference in the zipper, the hardware, and I have the strap for this one out right here. You can see that the strap is in the lovely gold color, brushed gold. And I have the strap for this one inside the bag, but it's in silver. Oh, the strap is buried down in here. I have some other items in here that I'm going to be carrying with this bag. The strap is all the way at the bottom, buried, you guys. Here is the lovely strap for her, and you can see that it's in silver. Okay, so the next bag that I want to talk about is my lovely Suri bucket tote right here. This is my lovely, cute little Suri bucket tote, and she is in the beautiful color Merlot, which is like a burgundy wine color. So pretty, that burgundy wine color. And this is like a smaller, it's kind of like the Coach Town bucket tote, but this is the smaller version for Michael Kors, the Suri drawstring mini tote, bucket tote. And she is very similar with the fuchsia. Let me move these over. So you could see the difference in the fuchsia color and in the beautiful wine burgundy color for Michael Kors. Those are the differences in those two colors. I just wanted to come on camera today and discuss some differences in the colors. This fuchsia from Michael Kors, like I said, is a very deep, dark pink fuchsia color. When I looked at it in the store in different lighting, it even looked like it was red. But then I realized it was a pink berry color. I thought it was berry, but when I looked, I thought it was berry, but then I learned that the color is actually called, it's fuchsia. So those are the differences in those colors right there. The Michael Kors berries, those are those colors right there. Those colors are so beautiful. I just love these colors in Michael Kors. And I also love the all brown canvas Michael Kors. I have, some of the Michael Kors that are in just all brown signature canvas with even the trim is in like the brown or in a lighter or darker color leather, Saffiano leather. So these are some colors for Michael Kors today, you girls, that I wanted to discuss with you, and we'll be back to discuss my entire Michael Kors collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, as well as comment down below and let me know if you want to talk about some different colors for Dooney and Burke. I love talking about the different colors within my handbags and the different colors that the different brands make, at least the ones that I've incorporated into my collection. Of course, we can't have all the colors, but it's nice to just have a few of them. So I hope you girls enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more handbag videos every single day, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.